Everybody, this is Rebecca with Aroma Hut, and today I have another DIY recipe for you. Something that you can leave in your shower, use it when you're getting out, and have the shower ready for the next time. This is a very simple recipe. We're going to be using white vinegar, rubbing alcohol. You're going to need a spray bottle. Now this is about an 8 to 10 ounce size. And then we're going to also be using some liquid soap as my emulsifier. Now we also want to make sure we have our essential oils. Use melaleuca or tea tree and lemon essential oil because I want to sort of kill the fungus and maybe some of the bacterial growth in that space. I'm going to start with the vinegar. We're going to use 1/2 cup. Rubbing alcohol is 1/4 cup. Now this is what keeps the glass from getting that gummy film on it, so that's why we use the alcohol. We're gonna go ahead and add our water. I'm using about 3/4 cup. You could possibly add a little more. So I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of the soap. And now we wanna add our essentials. I'm gonna be using probably about 10 drops of each and our lemon. So now we just want to go ahead and put our top in and swirl it around, shake it up, and it's all ready to go. So to use this, you're just going to want to leave this in the shower. After you finish your shower, just spritz the shower walls and the door, and that's it. Ready to use.